Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you like my random shopping haul. So it was not bought together. It was I was just waiting for some few days to do this video because I had ordered few products but in a different time. So since all the products have arrived, I just thought of doing a video on this. So it's just a random like it's all mixed up. It's no particular like only makeup or only clothing haul. It's not like that. It's all mixed up. So hope you like this video. So let's get started. So I'm just going to be starting this video with the night dress which I've bought. So I've bought four pairs of night dress. So the first one is this. And I did buy these night dress from Max. I downloaded the app Max and I bought it. And this is no way any sponsored or anything. I just bought every single product by my own money. So yeah, so the first the night suit or night dress is this. So the top has this cute panda print. So the top is like this. It has a four pandas and I just thought it's cute. And the pant also, the pant is like 3/4 pant and it has panda print all over the pant. So you can see, I just thought it was so cute. And the price of this is 569. So my size is extra small, so that was very cute and nice. So I bought this. And the second one is the Mickey Mouse one, and this was for rupees 599. So again, the top has this beautiful Minnie Mouse print. So this is how it looks. Though it's in the size small, it looks quite bigger, but no problem, and hence it is like a daily wear dress. It doesn't matter. So this is how the top looks. And coming to the bottom, it has it's a plain pink with white dots all over it. So this is how it looks. So these are the two sets. And the next dress which I bought is this. So the top has like kind of cute doodles all over it. So the pant also has similar kind of prints and it is green color, and this is also a 3/4 pant. So yeah, and this is how it looks. The print on it is like this. So this is the third set which I bought, and the last fourth set is this. Again, the prices for 3/4 is 569, and for the pant, the full pant, it is 599. And the last set which I bought was this, and the top looks something like this, and it has kind of popcorn on it, and the pant has this beautiful print all over it. And again, as I told you, it's 599 for the pants. So I just loved it, and the quality is also very good, and it's going to be very comfortable wearing it. So these were the four sets of nightwears which I bought. Since few of you were asking, like they wanted to see hauls of my dresses, I did include this. And moving on, as I told you, it's kind of mixed. So moving on, I did buy a small tiny tripod which looks something like this, and it is in this. And this is how it looks. I have to attach this to this, and this is how it looks. And I bought this because I can, if at all I go out, it's going to be handy for me to vlog outside. So yeah, this is how it looks, and I paid around 250 I guess for this. So yeah, and moving on, I did buy a new phone case to my phone. So yeah, it looks like this. And I don't like coffee, but since I thought this print is kind of cute, I just bought it. This is I paid 150 for the phone case. So yeah, so that was about gadgets. And now moving on, I'm just going to be showing you quite a few beauty products which I purchased. And the first one is, most of you asked me about my hair oil, which hair oil I use. I did show it in one of the vlogs. So yeah, this is the hair oil which I'm going to be using, and I've been using this since years, and it works so well for me. And once I wash my hair, it feels so smooth and shiny after I use this. So yeah, this is the hair oil which I use. And for hair serum, I used to use leave-on serum, but since I didn't find it on the app, I had to purchase this. So I have bought this Biotic Ebony, Bio Mountain Ebony serum. I don't know how it works, but I just want to try it out. So yeah, and the next one is the lip balm. So coming to the lip balm, of course, this Bio Plumbing lip balm is one of my favorites, and I have purchased like 3 to 4, 5, So coming to this Bioberry Plumbing Lip Balm, I have purchased quite a few of these, and so this is one of my favorite lip balm. So I bought this, and when I was searching for this, I did find the Bio Nectar lip balm, and I thought let me just give it a try for this because it's kind of attractive for me. So yeah, and it smells good, and it's kind of plain in color. And this one I paid 100. I think I didn't pay fully for this. I paid half amount for this because since the offer was going on. So yeah, this is the second one, and so yeah, these were the lip balms which I bought. And moving on, and I bought. Of course, I've shown you in my vlogs also. I use Biotic Bio Eye Gel, the seaweed gel. So I was running out of the old one, so I bought this, and also I found this Bio Almond, nourishing eye cream. So I just thought of giving it a try. So I did buy, this new eye cream from Biotic. So these were the 2 eye creams which I bought, and the next product is this Biotic Bio Creamy Coconut Ultra Rich Body Lotion. It also had a bigger version of this, but I just wanted to try it in a smaller version. If it works out, I thought of getting it in a bigger version. So I just bought a tiny one. So it smells good. Most of the Biotic products smells similar. So yeah, and the next one I bought is a face mask, which is this Multani Mitti's face mask. I do use Multani Mitti's face mask quite often. So I bought this, and so the next one is Morning Nectar Moisturizing Cream. So this is the huge one. So yeah, once I've tried this, it does work well for me. So I just thought of getting it in a bigger version. So I bought this, and the serum also I used to use the other one, but I just thought I'm just gonna let me try Nectar Biotic Bio Nectar serum. So I bought the serum. And the next product is not mine, from my mother, but this one is from Himalaya. This is a night cream, and she started using it, but it smells quite good, and this is how it is. And also the other product from Himalaya is Himalaya Natural Kesar Cream. So this is how it looks. So these 2 are from my mother, not for me. And so yeah, so these were the beauty products which I purchased. I know there is quite a lot of Biotic products in here. It suits my skin so well, so I did purchase it, and I'm not recommending it for anyone. It suits me, so I just bought it and I showed you. I'm just sharing it with you. So yeah, these were the things which I bought, so which I purchased. And also I just forgot to show you one more thing. So I did purchase a new tripod. So I'm just going to be showing it to you now. So I had this silver tiny tripod, but that was very, if at all I opened also, it was not too, okay, it was kind of short, it was not too long. So I booked this new tripod, and this is for $5.99, and it looks something like this. And it's a very sturdy one, and it feels so good. So yeah, this is the last purchase, and for this they haven't given the phone holder, so I had to purchase it separately. So this is the phone holder which goes in here. So I did hope you enjoyed it. If you did like it, and so that is all, and this was like a mixed shopping haul kind of video. If you did like this type of video, please do let me know in the comments down below, and if you like my video, please subscribe and support me. Thank you for watching.